Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how you are going to install your McAfee Total Protection Antivirus. Okay, so this is 100% guarantee virus remove or your money back. Always update to the latest version. So this is 1 year and then includes antivirus security. So I think this one has 5 users included. Okay, I mean, yeah, 5 devices. Okay, yeah, it's on the top, 5 devices. Okay, let's begin. So I'm going to open this. This is brand new, super duper brand new. Okay, and then it's sealed. I bought this at where did I bought this? I think I bought it at Best Buy. Okay, wait, I need to find the seal of this. Maybe here. Yeah, so it's here. I'm going to do this part. Okay. So there you go. Okay, so it's sealed. To unseal it, open the middle part. Okay, so it says here, security device enclosed. Now, I'm going to open it now. Okay, so inside I can see the code that I need to input and all the instructions. Okay, so it says here, okay, so this is my computer that I need to install my antivirus. So I bought this recently and I want to protect it so that I can use it longer. That's why I decided to buy this antivirus. Okay, so the instructions here are step 1, I need to download. Okay, I'm going to fold the card. Okay, so here, this is the instruction. Number 1 is type or search McAfee. I don't know if that's the correct word to pronounce it, but McAfee.com activate. And then click enter. And then next, enter your unique product key and then download, and then yeah, there you go. So I can just call if I have any problem about this. Okay, so I'm going to install now. Okay, so this is my first device. That's my second. That's my third. And that's my fourth. And I can use this on my other small devices. Okay, number 1, I need to search the website. So you need to go to the search button and then type their website, McAfee or McAfee.com. .com/activate. Okay, I'm going to turn off first all my opened tab. Okay, so this is how it looks like when you are going to enter their activation link. Okay, so now I'm going to enter my activation link and I will come back. Okay, so this is how it looks like after I entered my activation code. Okay, so I have my continuous protection, free virus removal, online privacy, identity theft protection. Okay, so that's the antivirus that I bought. Okay, I'm going to continue my my activation steps and then I will come back after this. And here I think I need to click this part. Okay. Okay, this is the next step. So I need to click here, go to my account. Okay, so this is the next step. So I need to log in to my account. And then we'll see what will happen next. Okay, so right now I already created my account. So before this one, you need to create your account if you don't have yet account on McAfee. Okay? Okay guys, so I already installed my antivirus and this is how it looks like when you already use the code. Okay, so I hope guys you enjoyed my tutorial. So as of now, mine it's already safe and I am ready to continue using my laptop again. And then I will do the same steps to my other devices. Okay guys, so click thumbs up if you like my video and please don't forget to share to your friends and your family. Okay, bye bye, see you next time.